What initially drew you to join our club, and how long have you been actively involved?
I started playing football when I was about 10 or 11 years old. The club was kind of going then, but it was more kind of playing with primary school and that. And then it was really Anne-Marie and Maria Daly who were over the under-12s at that stage, and they were really trying to get loads of people from all the different schools kind of starting, and that was kind of the first time kind of we started having big enough numbers kind of at underage under-12s.
Can you share a memorable moment or experience you have had while representing our club?
I've kind of had a few over the years. It was a player, we were playing an under 16 final down in Tyholland, I think it was against Sunny Vale, and Vince McConnell, Lord Rastum, he was over us along with my mother and Peter McHugh, and about 10 minutes ago we were down by about 6 points, and Vincent just gave this huge roar across the field. Whatever happened just set off, and we ended up winning by about 2 or 3 points. But I just remember, because that last 10 minutes we literally came off and we literally could barely walk. It was just that full 10 minutes full on it. And then I was the referee as well, and I was really lucky. I got refereeing the half-time game when I was 15 for the All-Ireland, whenever Monaghan and Cork ladies were playing the last time in the All-Ireland. So I thought that was pretty cool, seeing all the other senior girls who represent the county at the time playing on the Crow Park, and then me coming afterwards to referee the half-time game was pretty cool as well.
Who is your favourite player or person within our club, and what qualities do you admire most about them?
I think probably Marie Bornsey. No matter what, she'll always have a good laugh at you or with you. Sometimes you don't know which way it is. But no, she's very good. She's very involved in the club, and she does every job that no one else seems to want to do. She's really good at training. It's kind of got to the stage now, especially when we're doing the gym now, that we might have Sharon Courtney, and we're like, okay, Sharon, she gives hard sessions, that's fine. Marie comes in and it's like, oh no, we can't walk afterwards, which is good sign. But Anne-Marie is a very good inspiration in the club itself.
How has being part of this club impacted your personal growth or development, both on and off the field?
It's definitely got me a lot more confident. I used to stutter when I was a child, so it definitely helped me push through that, and I don't really be quiet anymore, as everyone in the club probably does know. And it's also made me get a lot more involved in the club itself. I coach, I was a referee, and I still play as well. So I'm also involved in the committee. So I think it's helped myself as a person itself just grow, get more confident, be more involved, and just making friends and kind of just getting to know loads of different people in loads of different ways as well.
If you could describe our club in just one word, what would it be?
It'd definitely be family. I think everyone, I remember there was a game last year we were playing and we all felt awful. It was the bees, and we didn't like playing at the time because we knew we were going to get hammered in some of the games. And there's one particular game we were playing, which was Sean's, and we really stuck together as a family that day. We went out 12 aside against a 15 aside team. We lost by 2 points, but we came off, everyone started clapping and cheering us, and I felt like that was a really good time. Showed that even if we lost together as a family, and even our fans and our supporters there were, even if they knew we tried our hardest. And I think that was the most important fact of it. And it just shows, even if you're on or you're off the field as a coach, a player, a fan, it really is one big happy family.